Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can update HUAWEI Health app. So in order to do that, regardless of what kind of device you have, should it be the smartphone from Huawei or any other device that supports the Google services, so your main app store is the Google Play Store, you will need to open your respective app store. In my case, that's going to be the AppGallery. Then open the list of app updates and see if there is the due update for your HUAWEI Health app, or the more universal way is to open its app details page. As I've already said, this method works for both Google services, or both for the smartphones that do have the Google services built in and for the ones that don't. So open the app info or app details page at your respective app store, and somewhere at the screen, if there is any updates pending, you should have the update button instead of the open button over here. Let me show how that will look exactly. So something like that. Anyway, that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.